I'm Jackie Miedema, and I just saw Uncle Seagull with the Libertinis, and it's birds on birds on birds.
It was just the most amazing thing. I feel like I'm going to take flight.
Had great dancing and music. And
the absurdism was really satisfying. The bird puns were great.
My favorite part was all the different allusions to Chekhov.
So I have a tattoo of a Chekhov quote.
And it's Latin for "I have done what I could, those who can will do better."
it really showed me that everybody hurts. That's actually a fact.